This is the section B and it consists of 42 marks. Question number 2, part 1. Assume the variables x, y and z where x equal to 4, y equal to 8 and z equal to 2. What the value will be stored in result 1, result 2 and result 3 after executing following Python statement. Okay, result 1 will get the value because value of x is 4 plus value of y is 8. Result 1 will get 12. Okay, next result 2. What result 2 will get? Z power 3 means z value of z is 2 raised power 3 mean 2 raised power 3. The answer is 2 times 2 times 2. Answer is 8. Result 2 will get 8. And result 3, y divided by x and value of y is 8 divided by x, a value of x is 4, it will get 2.0. The result will get 2. Okay. Question number 1, then OR part. I'm going to solve OR part. In OR part, what they are doing, trace the following pseudocode and complete the table below which tracks the value of the variable at each iteration of the loop. Okay, set sum equal to 0. Set sum equal to 0. At this stage, the value of sum will be 0. Okay, next, for I from 1 to 3. Okay, it will start from 1, value of I is 1, value of I is 2, value of I is 3. Okay, when value of I is 1, then what happen? Then sum equal to sum of I means sum equal to sum plus I. Before sum is 0 plus I means 1. Answer will be 1 will store into sum. Here it will become 1. And far from this place it will move up. Okay, and it will not print yet. Okay, next value of I will become 2. Okay, in case of 2, then previous value in sum is 1. 2 plus 1, 3. Okay, the value of sum will become 3. Next, they will increment 1 in x, in I. The value of I will become 3. In third time, the value of previous sum is 3 and this time value of I is also 3. It will give you 6. 6 will store into sum. Okay, after this 2 will stop and print sum. In print sum mean what they will display? They will display 6 here. Okay. Question number 2. What is a use case for statistical model given in example? Give an example. A use case for statistical modeling is predicting outcome based on data patterns. They will predict an outcome based on given data. They will explore that, they will analyze that data, and then they will give you one prediction. Example, forecasting monthly sales using past sale data. Okay, in this way you can give a prediction on the basis of the previously data. Okay, that you have previously data. You will explore that data, you will analyze that data. On the basis of that data, you will give some prediction. Write down the 3 benefits of integration of blockchain and IoT. Okay, number 1 is improved security through decentralized data handling. Number two is transparent and tamper-proof transaction records. And number third is faster automation using smart contracts. Okay, we'll move to the next question. Next question is, how does agile model differ from waterfall model? Justify with at least three reasons. This is very, very important questions. The difference between agile model and waterfall models. Number one is agile is iterative and flexible, while waterfall is linear and sequential. Agile is more flexible if you have high knowledge about the project. You have a expert team of the people, then it's very easy. It's flexible. Number two, agile welcomes changes. This is very important because in agile, changes can be welcome at any stage, while in waterfall methodology, the changes never accepted at the during the stages. Okay, this is a big difference. According to the situation, you have to apply methodology. Okay, then what is the important point? Changes. Agile welcome changes during development, while waterfall doesn't allow mid-process changes. Number third point is agile delivers work in small increments. They are giving small products. They are giving small versions of the software to the customers. Customers are using. Then they are giving new input or feedback according to new inputs and feedback. Developers are used to develop the software. Next one is differentiate between parameters and statistics with daily life example. One is parameter, a value that represents the entire population is called parameter. Example, average height of all students in a school, that is a parameter. While statistics, a value calculated from a sample of the population, that is called statistics. For example, average height of students in one single class, that is statistics. Why is successful product development important? Give three reasons. Number one is it increases customer satisfaction. Important point. The important point I have highlighted with red colors. By delivering a product that meet user needs. Number two is it improves market competitiveness and helps a company stay ahead. Number third point is it leads to higher profits and long-term business growth. Next question. Write on three differences between analog and digital signals. The differences are there. Analog signals are continuous. Continuous. They are not stay at single stage. While digital signals are discrete, they are showing one value at a time. Okay, they are analog signals and digital signals. Number two, analog signals are more prone to noise, while digital signals are more noise resistant. Okay, mean analog signals will produce means the noise can become, while in digital signals these are means noises less noises or noises resistant are there. Analog signals vary in amplitude and frequency, while digital signals use binary values, that is 0 and 1. Question number 5. Determine whether these variable names are valid or invalid. Provide reasons for any invalid variable. Range. Range is invalid. Why it's invalid? Because we are using in a for loop for x in range 3 like that. Okay, here is a range function, that is built-in function range range. Okay, total marks. Number one is total marks. You have written total marks. In case of total marks, there should be a gap. Gap is not allowed. Okay, here I mentioned gap, not underscore. Underscore can be allowed, but due to gap, I have mentioned this one, it's invalid. Okay, third one is counter. Okay, counter with small c with capital C, that is acceptable. This is valid. This is a valid variable. Range is invalid. Why? Range is a reserved word in Python. Total marks invalid. Why? Variable names cannot contain a space. Number third is counter. Counter is a valid. Reason, it contains only letters and follows naming rules. How do computer system protect against cyber attacks? Provide three reasons, and number one reason is a firewall. You have to apply a firewall and it will prevent from unauthorized access. Using firewall to block unauthorized access. Number two, installing antivirus and anti-malware software to detect threats. Number three is applying encryption and strong password to secure data. Question number 6. Briefly explain three guidance regarding the safe and responsible use of information sources. Number 1 is always check the credibility of the source before using information. If you want to use information in your assignment, in your exam, or anywhere, or in your thesis, in your work, you must check that from where you are copying, that how much that informations are correct. Okay. Check the credibility of the source before using information. Number 2 is avoid plagiarism by referring or citing original authors properly. Okay, if you are copying something from others, okay, you must write citation with references. If you will write citation and references, you will be avoid from plagiarism. Plagiarism means you are copying from others. Do not share personal or sensitive information from unreliable sites. If some sites they are getting some information regarding personal information, don't provide the personal information to this point. Other question is, what are the embedded systems, and list two of their applications. Number 1 is embedded systems are computer-based systems designed to perform specific tasks within a larger device. Applications. Number 1 application is washing machines. Okay, it uses in washing machines. Number 2, automatic traffic control systems. Question number 7. Which algorithm is more efficient, insertion sort or bubble sort? Justify your choice with two reasons. Insertion sort is more efficient than bubble sort. Reason, insertion sort takes fewer swaps and comparison in nearly sorted data. Okay. Reason number 2, average time complexity of insertion sort is better in practice and run faster on small data sets. Okay. Next is correct any three errors in the following Python code. Number equal to 0. Here they have mentioned semicolon, that is not allowed. Okay. You should write number equal to 0. Next one, if number greater than 0, yes, it's correct. If number greater than 0 colon, then print, you have to write positive number. You have to suppose I'm writing positive number. Okay, just I want to highlight the error. This is second error because here double quotation did not close it. Number 3 is it's written elif. Okay, you should write elif, elif, elif. Elif means here double F mean not use. You should use only single F. L if number equal to 0, double equal. Okay, if you are comparing, you should write number equal double equal for comparison, and then print 0. Here you are writing print 0, print in double quotation 0. Okay, and else you're writing else colon, and print, you give indentation here, give a space, print negative number, and in negative number. Okay, how many error you have found here? This is second error. L if this is the third error. One if is extra third, and fourth one is you must use double equal. Okay, else, and fifth one is the print need to give a space. I have highlighted 5 errors. Okay, but that's why they have written correct any 3 errors in the following Python code. Okay,